What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is the PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-102947-3. The internet connection is too low, slow or unstable to perform the update. So this is the network error, PlayStation network error. And I'm just going to show you how to fix this up, and I'm sharing my screen on the left side. Here we are at the screen. We must go to the settings first, and here we are. Must check the login settings. Your PSN is working good, and here is the login settings, and your console is logging automatically. And then view PlayStation network services. Sometimes server is down. Here is the server is working up and good. If the down, then you get the red option. You just wait until it fixes up automatically. If the green, then you have a local internet problem. So you can use a wired cable and set the frequency settings and advanced settings, MTU settings, and a DNS settings on your PlayStation Wi-Fi or a wired cable. So simply that's how you can fix this. You can change it on the DNS servers, on your Wi-Fi, on your LAN cable, and after that you just connect it again, it will be fixed. So simply in the last you just contact with your local internet provider. They will help you to fix this up. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.